Greetings, it is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is the continuation of Vlogmas. I am currently at Sir La Table. This is our week of team building activities. So we are here to learn how to make macarons. So it's gonna be an entire day spent with my team from work. Hella cool women. I am blessed. Thank you, God. I have the best boss ever. Okay. So yes, we're gonna learn how to make macarons. Something I know I personally would never have said to myself, let me go learn how to make macarons. So actually, I think it's called macarons or macarons. I don't know. But anyway, I thought it started at 9:30, y'all. It started at 9. So I was a little late, but I came in for the best part, the mixing part. So all I missed was what they put into the bowl, but I was able to get part of the mixing. All right, let's get into this.
Christmas is coming, start sending your letters off to Santa.
So we are on a 15-minute break. I personally don't really bake, so whenever I do stuff like this, I'm so excited because on a regular basis, it wouldn't happen for me. So I know macarons is macarons, I think that's how she said it. It's a very popular, favored dessert or cookie. I don't know what you call it. I had told my homegirl on my way over here, I was like, we're about to go make some macarons. She almost dropped the phone. She's like, no way, can I come? I said, girl, it's a team building exercise. You ain't part of the team? But anyway, yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So
now these grind the beans fresh, every single cup.
Ooh,
see the beans?
Yes.
These are Swiss. That has another page.
Okay.
This is the first juror to also do cold brew.
Ooh.
You can sync these to your phone, download the Joe app, and
No
start
way.
from your phone.
What?
So check it out. Put the cup down.
That is so cool.
Push cappuccino. Oh, I love that color.
Thank you. Emerald green. Yes. Thank you.
So it's grinding the beans.
This is fancy.
They're nice. I mean, they're bank, but these are all jurors, and they start at $8.99.
Oh.
So first you get your froth milk.
Okay.
Also, these little doohickeys, you can separate and do 2 at a time.
What?
So this separates, yeah. But
So husband and wife can get this at the same time. They don't have to wait on each other.
I know.
I'm doing your
These
cup
are-
too, babe.
Well, you can put a cup down at night, wake up, and hit your phone.
Oh, that's true. From your comfort of your
There
bed.
you go. Well, look at this. I'm putting it in my bedroom. I'm like, okay. You got room. You go for it, sister.
Not is at our bedroom. So I want to sleep close to it.
Somebody has to get out of bed, though, right?
Right. Yeah, exactly.
Enjoy. You're good to go.
Nice. Thank you so
And sugar's over
much.
here if you need it.
Perfect. Thank you so
You're
much. Look at that cup of Joe. I got a fresh cup of Joe, fresh ground beans. Let me take a little sip. Girl, I'm sorry. Oh, this is good though. I shouldn't be drinking no coffee, but still. It's really good. This is so tasty. Who is Starbucks? Not with this kind of coffee. But yes, y'all, so shout out to her getting on camera and doing that for us. Appreciate the friendly people that don't mind being on the vlog. So right now we're letting our macarons, the top part, or just letting the macarons that we put out the piping bag. Look at me learning terms. We are letting it cool down, and then we're gonna come back for the second part. I'm super excited. I just learned how to make melted, not that this like science or anything, but I've just never seen melted white chocolate. So it's pretty cool to see that. And I'm just excited.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna
macarons, I now go into working out. Perfect combination. Cookies then burn them cookies. Actually, you're not supposed, so the macarons, even though the lady said you're supposed to wait 24 hours, I did already taste one, and it is actually really good. I'm so proud of my team. We made some awesome macarons, I'm just saying. So now we're about to get into this CrossFit life. Let me change and we get it popping. You have to go though. Y'all gotta get up out of here. You can't be seeing all my goodness. And like that. It's like that, y'all. I'm changed. I'm a changer. All right, so started wearing socks with my shoes, y'all. I used to not, but they actually do give these more cushioning. Okay. And no, I don't care whether my socks, they show at the top or they don't. I know people try to do those, the ones that are ankleless so it doesn't show. That stuff don't matter to me. It don't matter. It don't matter. All right, so I'm a little early. I usually come a bit earlier because I like to warm up, like really warm up for CrossFit. I just can't go right into it, hell to the no. I don't see how anybody can, all right? The class itself does fit in some warm up, but it's usually not long enough for someone like me whose muscles tend to stay strained a little bit longer. So I make sure I warm up even more. So when I can make it here early, like by 3:30, class starts at 4, 30 minutes enough for me to like do a little run around, might do like a mile beforehand, and then I do some more warming up, and then I'm good to go, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so they have this little machine right here I recently discovered. If you happen to have like, sometimes my wrist, because you know with CrossFit, you're gripping the bar, my wrist is still building up the strength for that, and sometimes it kind of hurts. I think this is what this is for. Now, it wouldn't make sense for me to ask someone who's more experienced, what is this for? But I saw someone using it like this, so I figured, oh, it must be for your wrist. I think you just take this is what I saw him do. He took this thing, and he just put his wrist, oh, it looks like something's coming for you. Okay, no. You take this, and you just kind of roll your hand through it. And it has to be for my wrist, because when I do this, the strain in my wrist goes away if I'm having any that day. So I just told myself I'm gonna make it a regular basis to come in here and do this. And then you can change the tightness of it up here, how loose it is, how tight it is, and so on. So I'm gonna take my watch off from here, do the other hand. You gotta be mindful of how you rolling too, because it on the muscles, it don't feel too good. So I think I go this way for it to be less pressure, and this way for more pressure. I want less pressure, so I'm gonna turn the other way. There we go. And that's for my little wrists. And now they feel more movable. Girl, that workout was killer. Look at all that we did. Whew. I survived. I made it through that workout, and it was killer. But CrossFit is killer, period. So we're on this 12 days of, it's basically hell week. And each day so far has given me hell, all right? But I keep coming back for more. I can't even believe I'm holding my phone up right now because this thing is feeling very, in fact, let me switch hands. Oh, let me go like that. Wait, how do I do this with that? Okay. I had a very great day. The rest of my day is going to be spent actually volunteering. And I'm probably not gonna be able to record that because it's at a women's shelter. So I'll see if I can take a photos of me and my friends, because we're gonna go volunteer and pass out, my arm, y'all. I don't know how long I can hold this phone. We're gonna pass out snacks and stuff like that. So I'll see my friends want to take a group photo. But if not, this is where this vlog gonna end. Okay, I appreciate y'all hanging out with your girl. All right, hope you are enjoying the Vlogmas. Today's vlog, I think, is probably gonna be one of my shorter vlogs. I'm trying to play around with the timing of my vlogs, whether y'all like the longer ones, the real long ones, or these shorter ones. I'm gonna play around with the time, and the way that I will know is based on your views and your responses. So y'all let me know what type of, in fact, that's the Nap Chat question of this vlog. What is your preferred duration of time for vlogs? Can you watch an hour-long vlog? Or do you prefer 30 minutes or less, 20 minutes or less, no less than 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes? The same thing, right? Y'all know what I was gonna say. But anyway, let me know if you're a vlog watcher, and if you do like watching the longer ones, what keeps you glued to the screen to watch it for a whole hour? Let me know. Remember, your response will definitely help this natural out. Okay, appreciate y'all. So remember to have a healthy mind, body, soul, spirit, all of that. My arm is hurting. Remember, what I was gonna say, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Dude.